Namaskar. Uh, in this investor education series through YouTube by BSE IPF, uh, in this video the topic is what is inflation and how it impacts our investments. Now, when we invest, it means we have consumed, we have done all the spending, and whatever money is saved with us, we are now putting that money somewhere in some assets so that the value of that assets grow over time. Now, as long as this asset, the growth of this asset, in this example, let's say FD, if this FD grows at 7%, whereas inflation is at 8%, then over a 1 year period, you have probably made less money than the inflation rate, and therefore such an investment is it doesn't make economic sense. Furthermore, there is something known as power of compounding. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R raised to the power n. So in the second year, this will be 116. I am ignoring the power of compounding, and this will be 114. So you can see the difference is only increasing over time. So not only are we making a wrong decision by investing in an asset class which is growing at a rate less than inflation, we are compounding our wrong decision every year. So this compounding concept needs to be understood, and therefore inflation and how it impacts our investment. So which is an asset class which is probably beating inflation over the long term? We have Sensex data with us. In 1979, Sensex was at 100. In 2020, today, after the big fall, after the panic, after the global virus related panic, even then Sensex is at 26,000, and over the past 41 years, this translates into a CAGR of roughly 15%. And that is, we have beaten inflation handsomely over the past 40 years. It means there are periods where the market goes down, so you see your investments going down. There are periods of euphoria where you see, but no one can time the market that I'll buy at the lowest point, I'll sell at the highest points. No retail investors can't do that. So what we need to do is we need to buy into small amounts, maybe in good stocks if we are good at it. Otherwise, in index funds, Sensex funds are there in small amounts every day, every month, and stay invested for a long period of time. Then and only then do we get the benefit of the stock market. The whole world is coming to India and Indian stock markets. The World Bank or IMF, somebody has said that there will be a recession. It's almost official that after this virus thing there will be a recession, but only India and China may probably escape that recession, is what people are talking about. Now here is an opportunity. The whole world is talking about it, and you and I as small investors, if we don't take benefit of this, then probably we would be making a big mistakes of our life. So what we need to do, invest in probably Sensex index. The first step for a small investor in an index fund, invest in small amounts, but importantly remain invested for a long period of time, because then equities as an asset class, especially for a growing economy like India, equity as an asset class has the potential to beat inflation and deliver handsome returns over a longer period of time. So that was the topic for this video. In the comment section, please write your name and email ID. Why? Because the data needs to be sent to BSE IPF. It's monitored. Only if viewers like these videos, if they watch these videos, only then will BSE IPF take the decision to continue with this series during this lockdown and maybe later also. So thank you very much for watching, and make the most of this 21-day lockdown by studying what BSE IPF is bringing. The videos are in Hindi, English and Marathi. Thank you very much. Namaskar.